This is one of the mixers we use in the bake shop. It's a Globe 20-quart mixer. This is the mixer itself. These are the three attachments that commonly come with a mixer. This is a dough hook, this is a whip attachment, and this is the paddle attachment. This is a very powerful machine, and although it has two built-in safety features, the first being this cage, the machine won't operate unless the cage is closed, and the lowering and raising of the bowl, the machine won't operate unless the bowl is up. The user needs to be aware that safe usage of the machine is critical. Serious injury can result to the user from not using the machine safely. These are the three operating controls of the machine: the stop button, the start button, and the timer. The machine can be used automatically by setting the timer to a desired number of minutes, or the machine can be used without the timer. To use the machine without the timer, simply press the start button and keep it depressed for as long as you want the machine to run. When you want the machine to stop, simply release the start button. To use the machine with the timer, simply turn the timer past 5 to whatever desired time you want, in this case 10 minutes. Start the machine, and the machine will run for the desired set amount of time, in this case 10 minutes. To stop the machine at any point, either hit the stop button, or open the cage, or lower the bowl. In all instances, wait until this part of the machine holding the attachment, either the dough hook, the paddle, or the whip, has come to a complete stop before putting your hand or any utensil into the machine. The cage is one of the two built-in safety features of the machine. The machine will not operate if that cage is open. The cage prevents a user from putting their fingers into the machine or putting a utensil into the machine while the machine is operating. Adding additional ingredients to the mix while the mixer is operating can be done by pouring additional ingredients or adding additional ingredients through this part of the cage. This handle raises and lowers the bowl. This is the second safety feature built into the machine. The machine won't operate unless the bowl is in the up position and the cage is closed, again, preventing the user from putting their hands or utensil into the machine while the machine is operating. The Globe mixer, as well as most other mixers, come with three basic attachments. The first is the dough hook, used for mixing heavy doughs, yeast-raised bread doughs. The second is the paddle, used primarily for creaming. And the third is the whip attachment, used primarily for whipping. Each one of these attachments looks like this on the underside. This tab right here will fit into a knob on the underside of the pole on the machine. And that's how you attach an attachment to the machine itself. To put the dough hook onto the machine, we want to align this part of the dough hook with this part of the pole of the machine. Lift up, turn the dough hook, press down, and now the dough hook is firmly attached to the machine and ready for operation. Removing the dough hook from the machine is simply a matter of lifting up, turning the dough hook, pulling down, and removing it from the machine. This is the 20-quart mixing bowl that attaches to the 20-quart mixer. The features of this bowl are this point right here, which fits into the machine, and two safety holders, which attach to the side of the machine. To attach the bowl to the machine, we'll need to put this point into this hole on the back of the machine. To do that, simply turn the bowl this way. Put the point into the hole Secure the bowl to the machine, making sure that the points on the arm of the machine fit through these safety holes on either side of the bowl. After securing the bowl to the machine, move this handle to secure the bowl in place. There's one of these handles on the other side of the machine as well. The machine itself has 3 operating speeds: 1, 2, and 3. It's easy to see what speed you're operating on because this black handle points to or comes out from that speed. For instance, the machine is now set on first speed, and if we want to move that to second speed, we simply move that down. If we want to move it to third speed, we come back up and then up to third speed as well. It's important not to change speeds on the machine while the machine is operating. To safely change speeds of the machine, turn the machine off, wait for it to come to a complete stop, and then change speeds, start the machine again. The proper usage of the machine is as follows. Take the desired attachment, place it on the machine, add whatever ingredients you're going to add to the machine, close the cage, raise the bowl, set a timer for the desired time, hit start.